Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Gonna do another video today. Kind of sorry about the mess I have here. Haven't been feeling good the last few days, but I didn't want to miss a video, so I'm gonna just do a quick one today. Working on an 8x10. I'm just gonna do a straight pour with some leftover paints that I had in my cup. First off, I want to show you my dried results from the open cup pour I did. Looks pretty good. Dried really nice. My husband pointed out it looks like a nose and a chin and the neck going down here and flowing back. But I think it looks really good. So we'll just get on with this one. Like I said, I just have some leftover paint in this cup. I don't know, it looks kind of muddy, so we'll see how it turns out. Like I said, I'm just going to do a straight pour with the colors that I have and see what happens. Don't know why I haven't been feeling good, but it's going on day now, so I just we're going to be gone another 2 weeks in October. So I got to try and get my videos built back up so that I don't miss any again when we're gone. So let's go ahead and tilt this out and see what happens. Okay, bring that back in, set it down. Doesn't look that bad for some leftover paint, does it? Make sure I got my corners and all the sides covered. I know what people were talking about with the stinky floetrol, because I got some. I got a gallon of it, and yeah, it doesn't smell real good. I don't know what the problem is with the floetrol lately, but it doesn't smell real good. Get my hands wiped off. Give it a torch. My gloves are a little bit big still. Went to find some new ones. All they had were 3X. So I'm going to have to make do with what I've got. And there we go. I think that's pretty good. All my sides are covered. Give you a close-up. Looks pretty nice for leftover paint. Got some lacing and some cells. Some pretty colors. That gold in there is really shimmering. I can see it. So that's really pretty. So that's it for today. Hope I get feeling better so I can make another better video next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment if you so desire, and please share with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up. It always helps with my placement with YouTube. Hope everybody has a great day, and be well. Hope everybody's feeling better than I am. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.